Okay, here comes one. Got it. Woo! What's up, y'all? Gonna do a little Tenkara fishing with the TenkaraUSA Hane. They just sent me this rod. It's kind of their all-around adventure rod, so we're gonna check it out. It's 10 foot 10 inches, single length. So I'll let you know what I think. It's got a, I kind of feel like I like the cork handle on the Sato better, but this has some nice little graphics. Got their logo down there, got a little Kabari up there. Does not have a plug hole, I don't know, where you can store that because it's so wide and able to pack down so short. They had to make that a little wider, so find a safe place for it. Definitely don't lose it, but there is not a hole down here, so just know that you'll have to stick it somewhere. I'm gonna turn this around and put you on the chest cam and try to take y'all along, hopefully catch a couple of bass. So I have not been to this particular location or part of the Middle Bosque before. It's pretty low. I'm gonna walk up and see if I can spot any fish in some of these little pools. All right, we're kind of coming up to our first deeper pools here. Bass on. Awesome. Good looking bass on the Brushy Creek streamer. Get that out of there for you, buddy. A little dramatic. Even the little bass fight pretty hard, but this Hane's got plenty of, I mean, these aren't even, world's worst netter. These aren't even really testing the Hane at all. These little, you could catch fish like this, I mean, all day. And it's light enough that they're plenty of fun, but it's easily strong enough to get, I mean, way bigger than this end. All right. There you go, dude. There's a little one. Little dink. Come on, buddy. Where'd you go? Where are we at? Where are we at? Not a bad bluegill. These little guys are full of fire. Yeah, not a bad little bluegill. Get him back in there. Okay, here comes one. Got it. Woo! Come here, baby. Please. I think I got it. All right. Pretty pale bass. Oh, dude, doubled up. Nice. Got another one. Oh yeah. Get the camera. We're getting in the water for this one. Bro, I see it. Please. I'm trying. He's got too much energy. Guff. Oh, got him. Okay.
Look at that boy. That.
Dude. Nice healthy fish. Right in the top lid.
One of the day?
This was about the same size as that one I caught earlier, maybe a little bit bigger.
Spring's always good.
Okay.
I think like it's phenomenal.
There he goes. Okay, dude, hell yeah. Overall, I think the Hane is a great rod. I caught several decent sized bass, and I mean, never did I feel like it was going to be underpowered at all. I do like the foam handle performance wise over, I still prefer the aesthetic of the cork, but performance wise, man, that foam handle did great. Let me stick this little Zimmer built, I don't know what y'all can see with this. I don't think I have great lighting, but we'll see. Little Zimmer built pack. I'll do a review on this. It's got kind of everything you need for just a minimal little Tenkara kit. Great rod, just a little all around kind of get out, and if I'm just going out, I'll keep it in the sock, but usually I'll keep it in my car in this rod tube. And what's nice is the Hane packs down so short that even in a little camelback like this camelback mule, I can shove it all the way down in there and have it completely in my pack. I don't have to worry about it sticking out or snagging anything. You can kind of pack all your stuff down in something as small as like a camelback mule. This is an older version. Any small little day pack, it's gonna be great to go right in the side or put it in a water bottle pocket and strap it in. You've got kind of a bunch of different options when it comes to storing it. I have plans to get a little bit better pack at some point that's a little more fishing oriented, but for now this camelback's doing the job. You didn't think we were leaving this, did you?